Research guides are a great tool to use to get started for your research assignments. In this tutorial, we will learn about the research guide for SOAPS and how to use it to find resources. Research guides are designed by librarians for each discipline and serve as a starting point for your research. They all have the same look and layout, but are tailored to fit each discipline. The School of Adult and Professional Studies, or SOAPS, Research Guide is designed both for the program in general and for each degree offered in the SOAPS program. Let's start at the library homepage at uu.edu/library. Find the link that says Research Guides. Click that link and scroll down to Adult and Professional Studies. Click on that guide. Now you are on the SOAPS Research Guide. From this research guide, you will be able to search the catalog, find articles, and even get reference and citation help. On the Finding Articles for SOAPS Programs tab, you will see a list of databases. These databases are general databases, meaning they cover a broad range of topics that will help in your research. Underneath the Finding Articles tab are tabs for each degree program. By choosing your degree program, you will get a list of databases that contain information specifically related to your concentration for you to use in your research. The Finding Books tab contains a search bar for you to search the catalog. Simply type in your search term in the search bar and hit search. You will be taken to the library catalog where you can find both print books and e-books. The Citing Sources tab gives you links for the citation manuals on both APA and Turabian citation styles. The library has copies of these handbooks that you can check out or use in the library. Also, there is a link to Purdue OWL, a very helpful website that gives citation help and rules, as well as an APA research guide from the library. You'll find links to additional help, such as tutorials on the Research Help tab, as well as a link to make a research coach appointment for help with research questions. Thank you for watching this tutorial. The next tutorial in this series is searching databases. Be sure to like and subscribe to the library's YouTube channel.